How to deactivate Instagram account. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now remember, we are only talking about deactivating and not deleting our account, and to deactivate we are not going to do it from our mobile application because the options are very limited. Instead, I want you to simply open up your mobile browser and then just go to instagram.com instead. So go to instagram.com and then sign into your Instagram account. Then just tap the profile option from the bottom right of the screen, as you can find it here. Then over here you'll be able to find the option known as edit profile. All you need to do is just tap the edit profile option here. When you come to edit profile page, just scroll down to the bottom of the screen until you see this option known as temporarily deactivate my account at the bottom right of the screen. Once you find the option, just make sure to tap on it. Now you have to just select a reason as to why you want to deactivate your account. So select your reason, and then you can just go ahead and then actually enter your password and then click on the option called temporarily deactivate account. Just remember that you can choose to activate anytime. You just need to remember your password when you try to log in. It will ask you to reactivate it, but to give you a general context, this is how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.